Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome back to all my original subscribers, and welcome to my new subscribers. Now, as you can see from what I'm showing you, I have extremely damaged ends, and so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I trim my hair ends. So my tutorial today is going to be a little bit different from the regular styles that I usually show you on my channel. Today I'm going to be giving my hair some tender love and care, some tender loving care. TLC, that's what TLC stands for, right? Tender loving care. Yeah, so today I'm going to be giving my hair some TLC. Now, as usual, I always like to section off my hair, and I part off a small piece at the back. First I detangled with a white tooth comb. Well, I actually use my pick, and after going through with the pick, then I go through with the rat tail comb to ensure that the hair is fully detangled and there are no knots. And then I smooth the hair all the way down to the tip, and where the hair starts to thin out, and also where I feel the coarseness of the hair, I go ahead and clip the ends off. I'm going to show you guys how I did that again. So always remember to work in sections. That actually helps you to manage the hair better. So first I detangle. Well, my hair was previously detangled, and as you can see, it's freshly washed. I have no products in it except for my scalp, which is oiled. And I follow the same steps. So right at the end there, that's where I can start to feel the coarseness, and that's where the hair thins out naturally as well. So that's the part that you want to clip off. Now, you guys can do it this way. You can also do it another way, which I'm going to show you further on in the video, or you can just go to the salon and have a professional do it if you're not sure what you're doing. And also, to prevent you from cutting off too much of your hair, you can just have someone do it for you, or just go to a stylist. Now, I can count the times I've been to a stylist. Even when I was relaxed, when my hair was relaxed, I've only been to the stylist maybe when I want to cut, like maybe a pixie cut or something. Otherwise, I did everything else to my hair, so it's nothing new to me to be doing my own thing. Now remember guys, I'm not a professional, I'm just showing you guys what I did. So you can choose to do it how you want to do it. I'm just showing you how I do it, okay? Alright, so as I said, when the hair feels coarse at the end, and it's important for you guys to not put any products in the hair when you're going to complete this step. And the reason for that is the products will actually disguise the real texture of your hair, so it will feel smooth because of moisturizer when it's not smooth. Now I'm just showing you the comparison between this side that is not yet trimmed, how the ends are looking, in comparison to this side, the ends are looking healthy. So you can clearly see that the trim does make a difference. Now I did not get rid of all the ends throughout this trim at this time, but it's a start to healthy hair, and the ends that are remaining will be trimmed in the long run. Alright, so this is another way in which you can trim it. Instead of having your hair loose, you can go ahead and do a 2-strand twist, and then you can inspect your hair ends and look for where the hair starts to thin out. You can also run your fingers along the twist, and where it feels coarse, mine would be right about there, you go ahead and you trim that off, and you can unravel your twist and comb through and inspect your ends again to ensure that all the damaged ends are trimmed. Mine wasn't fully trimmed, but like I said, this is not going to be my last trim. I'll be doing another one soon because my hair ends are bleached and damaged. So I'm going to have to continue trimming off until I get rid of all those ends. Alright, so like I said, unravel and then inspect the hair again and trim where necessary. Alright, so once I completed all my trim, I am actually going to Okay, so I'm showing you guys a side-by-side comparison right here. As you can see, the part that I have in my hand, the ends are very long and thin in comparison to the rest of the hair, and that's how much I clipped from some of the damaged ends. Yeah, it was pretty bad. Like I said, I haven't trimmed in forever, so that was anticipated. Alright, so I'm going to be leaving in some repair cream. It's actually a hair repair treatment. I've used it countless times, and you guys can see how shiny my scalp look. Like I said, I've oiled my hair scalp. That was the only thing I did to my hair, and now I am adding liquid to my hair by using this a lot of body mixture, setting lotion and water mixture. I'm using that to wet the hair or to damp the hair a little bit. And I was just showing you my palm that there is no loose ends. Usually when I do this, there are lots of hair coming off in my hand. There is none this time, so that's a very good sign. Alright, so the next thing, I added the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream, and I'm going to seal in the moisture by adding some oil over that, and then I comb through for even distribution and also to further detangle the hair. So this is my hair care for today. I won't be styling my hair like I usually do. I'm just going to do some Bantu knots, nothing fancy. The part is not even precise or anything. As I said, today is just time for my hair to get some tender, loving care, and that's exactly what I'll be doing. Now, I've done a video with Bantu knots before where I styled my hair. I'm going to leave the link to that at the end of this video. So this time around, I am two-strand twisting my hair first before the Bantu knots. The previous video I was telling you about, I did not two-strand twist. I go straight into Bantu knotting by twisting the hair itself around. Like I said, I'm going to leave that video at the end of this one, so you guys can see how I style my hair using that method. And this one I won't be styling. I'm going to be leaving this on until the next day or maybe the following day. But my hair is just going to be in a protective style, which is going to be good for my ends to be hydrated. Alright, so I thank you guys so very much for watching this video. As I said, if you are brand new to my channel, remember to subscribe down below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and to share with your friends. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.